In this video, I will show you how to export a file without the watermark on Movavi. Is there a watermark on Movavi? Yes, but there are a few simple ways to remove the watermark of Movavi. The first and easiest way is to remove the watermark using the purchasing of license for the software. This will give you access to the full version of the software Movavi, which does not add a watermark to your videos. If you don't want to purchase license, you can use a different video editing software that doesn't add a watermark to your videos. There are many free and paid options available. So do some research and find the ones that meet your needs. Another way to remove the Movavi watermark is to use a watermark removal tool. There are various tools available on the market that can help you remove Movavi watermark online and offline, including Marco, Media.io, and many more. However, it's crucial that you find a program that doesn't degrade your video quality. If you've already created a video using the free version of Movavi and don't want to purchase license or use a different software, you can try cropping or blurring the watermark. Cropping the video can remove the watermark if it's located near the edge of the video, and blurring the watermark can make it less noticeable and less distracting to the viewers. So all in all, choose the options that works best for your needs. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.